Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to talk about the upcoming mobile phone in the OnePlus Nord 2 series, which is OnePlus Nord 2 Pac-Man edition. As you can see friends, exactly the exact price of this phone has been announced in the Amazon website. You can actually check in Amazon about the details of this phone as well. And they did not list any kind of specifications about this OnePlus Nord 2 Pac-Man edition, but the rumors suggest that the phone might be having the Snapdragon 778G processor. That's another rumor suggest. But hopefully this OnePlus Nord 2 Pac-Man should not be another OnePlus Nord 2 which is going on at this moment regarding the blasting incident which is going on. So that's what I'm expecting friends. Hopefully this Pac-Man should not be going through another this kind of blasting incident. That's the OnePlus. They need to figure out why it's happening as well before releasing another OnePlus Nord 2 series. And price of this phone gonna be 37,999. That's 38,000 rupees, and you're getting what? Snapdragon 778G processor. Yes friends, Snapdragon 778G, that's not confirmed, but still that is the rumors what we are getting according to the rumors. So Snapdragon 778G friends, which is can be, I think the Realme did sell the same processor for about 19,000. Snapdragon 778G processor. Even other phones, if you try to compare the iQOO Z5, which can be found about close to 23,000 rupees, Samsung phone as well around close to 27,000 rupees, Mi 11 Lite NE 5G as well around 26,000 rupees, but still this 38,000 is really expensive for this Pac-Man edition to buy for this kind of 38,000 rupees. But let me know in the comment section below friends, what are your thoughts on this OnePlus Nord 2X, which is a Pac-Man edition? Are you interested in this kind of phone or not? And right now I do have the OnePlus Nord 2, which has got the Dimensity 1200. Definitely Dimensity 1200 is pretty powerful and good enough, but hopefully they should come up with changing few things. For example, providing 120 Hz refresh rate in this Pac-Man edition and giving USB Type-C port, which is 3.1, not 2.0, 3.1 to connect to the external monitors. So maybe something like this they could have exactly updated in the Pac-Man edition. Maybe instead of giving normal case, they could have given some kind of blast protective case as well along with the phone. That's what I'm guessing at this moment. But let's see friends, what are the designs and everything going to be there in the new Pac-Man series. But let me know in the comment section below, what are your thoughts on this one? Are you willing to spend this much of money on this phone or not, about 38,000 rupees? So for me, in my case, coming with the Snapdragon 778G processor, no. Yes, absolutely not spending 38,000 rupees, because if you wait for some weeks, we may see even the Snapdragon 888 processors getting released new from the iQOO phones and other phones as well. So let's see friends, what the OnePlus Nord 2 Pac-Man series will be having the specifications. And that's it friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye. Be careful with the OnePlus Nord 2. Bye.